Hello everyone. Today we are back. So today we have new logic, new topic to discuss. Here you can see I have one table. Okay. In this table I got some empty columns. Here you can see we have one empty column. Here also you can see we have one empty column. Here also we have empty column. So we wanted to remove the empty column dynamically from our table. Okay. In case in future there are more column added in this data set, our query automatically should remove those columns, the empty columns. Okay, so this is the logic today we are going to build. So let us bring this table, the entire table, into the Power Query M code. Click this icon from table slash range. Okay, in the data tab from table slash range, it will launch the Power Query M code window. Okay, so here you can see this Power Query editor. Now we are going to write the code. So first thing we need to, how you can just imagine how we can what logic we can apply to extract this empty column. Okay, so here my intention or my logic, I just wanted to get the column names, the entire column names from this table. Okay, then second thing I want to check if that individual column has any value or not, or if there's a tax or not. Okay, so if there is a tax I should retain that those column. If there is no tax, meaning if it is empty, I should exclude those column. So this is the logic today we are going to build. So insert one column, one step here, click here this fx, so it will add the step here. Okay, so here you can see the new step has been added. Change type meaning it is the previous step. Okay, so the Power Query is the just building of the previous step. Okay, so when we are going to next step, it will be the the same building block, like it is building from the previous one, and the next one it will build from the previous. So this is the Power Query logic, basically we can say. So now here we are going to write the formula. So what formula we are going to write? So first thing, we should get the column name, correct? So here we will be writing some code. Okay, so here let us write here let, and here I'm going to type here in, because the M code start with let and ending with in. Okay, so here if you type this one here outside, this is, sorry, here we cannot define like this. Basically let us remove this one first, and you have to declare the variable here. Okay, so here if you type here, let's say I'm telling this is a previous table. Okay, previous, p capital, previous, previous tbl table, I'm declaring like this. And if you put this one, if you type here in, after in, you'll get the same result. Basically there's no changes. Okay, so we started with let and we finish with in, and in between we have the data set. So this is our previous table, meaning this is the same table change type which is coming here. Now we want to extract the column names from the previous step. So you type here all the column. Okay, so here you have to type the comma, and here I'm going to declare another variable, all columns. Okay, so to get all the column, we have the command column name, table dot column names, table dot column names, which is here. And from where we are going to get the column, from this step. Okay, from the previous table, and you can put it here and just put this the last step, all column here at the end, and then you have the column name. All the column name are showing here, correct? Until this is okay, there's no problem. Another logic here, put another comma and type here none empty columns. Okay, so first thing what you are going to do here, to get the none empty column, we are going to write here the command list dot select. Okay, we are going to select, we will convert all the entire table into list, then we'll select. Okay, so list dot select, it is asking give me the list. Okay, so list is coming here, this is the our column. From this column, this is our all the column which is in the list form, you can see here it is showing list. Okay, then comma, it is telling that selection as a function, so here we have to create the function. So let's say I'm declaring a variable here. Okay, c and is equal to rocket sign, meaning this is converted into function. Okay, this converted into function. Now I'm going to type another command here, list none list dot none null count. Okay, basically we are going to take without null, if there is a null in that column we should exclude. Okay, so here it is asking give me the list as a list. So the entire table which is here in this in the change type or the source, you can say that all the table we want to convert into list form, then this command will select. Okay, this null, if there is a null, if there is no null it will select. Okay, it will select from here. Okay, first this will check if there is a null or not. If there is no null, it will select from this. So okay, so from here what we are going to do, we are going to do list, we are going to take, we are going to convert the entire table. Okay, the source table into list, this source or the change type, you can say, into list form. So you all the type here column table dot column, only column. Okay, table dot column, table dot column, you type here table dot column. So what we are going to do here, we are going to convert the whole table into list. Okay, then we are going to check if there is a null in that column or not. Okay, so here this is the command and it is asking give me the table. Okay, it is asking give me the table. So where is the table we have here in the previous step, copy and paste it over here. Okay, this is, it is the table and put the comma. Okay, now it is saying the column, where is the column. Okay, so column we have declared the variable c. Okay, so here you type, here you type c. Okay, meaning we are going to check from the previous all this step if there is a in from this column list, from this column which is variable c, if there is a in that column if there is a null or not. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to check if there is a null or not. If there is a null which is greater than 0. Okay, here you can type here greater than 0. Okay, and you bring this one, the empty, this step at the end. Okay, now last thing what we have to do, we have to select. Okay, we have to select the columns. Now we here from this step we are able to pass the result. If there is a column, if there is a null value we excluded, there is no null value we have taken from this this step. Okay, now another one, last one, you press here comma and type here final result, final result. Here you can type here table dot select column. This is the command, and it is asking give me the table. So table is here in the previous. From here, this is our table. Okay, this is our table, and put here comma and give me the column. So column, I want only the non-empty column from this list. Okay, and take this step, put it at the end. Okay, it should be okay, I believe. Let us review one time. Put the tick mark. If there's an error, it will show the error. Okay, there is no error. Okay, so you can see here we are able to exclude the empty columns from this data set. Now go to close and load to, and load into the new worksheet. Okay, so 700 rows loaded. Now let us insert one more empty column. Let's say I'm going to insert one column here. Okay, column 5, and if you refresh this one, the column 5 has been excluded. There is no column 5. So this is the logic today I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time.